Welcome back, YouTubers. Just back with another cooking short. Today we're doing ribs. We got this Kirkland honey, made a nice thick glaze on there till it ran off on the ends. Took a little bit of Sweet Baby Ray's, drizzled it on there, just enough to give it a little bit of a kick. And wrap these up and throw them in the oven for about 4 hours. Wrap them up nice and tight. Get all the airspace out of there. That way it keeps everything in there. Just like that. All tucked away. I'll put the timer on 4 hours. I'm already set to 250. I'm just going to pop it in here and I'll be back in 4 hours. See what we got.